Fourth EVS 1. My upbringing. What do you see in these pictures? What are the kids in the pictures learning from the grown ups? What is upbringing? While we grow up, we learn many things. This learning leads to development of certain habits like likes and dislikes. This learning shapes our views and thoughts. This process is known as upbringing. Parents and relatives teach us a lot of things. Holding our hands, our parents teach us to walk. They teach us how to behave and how to talk to others. When we make mistakes, they show us how to correct them. They want us to become good people. Our loved ones too try hard to see that we develop good habits. Our close relatives, like our grandparents, uncles, and aunts, also have great affection for us. We learn many things from them too. People who are close to us teach us how to carry out our own tasks ourselves. They appreciate it when we can do all these things properly. They recommend us, saying that we have grown up. How does a lion cub learn how to hunt? A lion cub is not able to hunt as soon as it is born. It is taught how to hunt by its mother and other lionesses in the pride. These cubs are quite helpless for about the first 2 weeks. They do not even open their eyes. Therefore, their mother keeps them hidden away from others. When the cubs are about 8 weeks of age, they are introduced to the other members of the pride. All the lionesses take care of the cubs. A cub is pampered by all of them until it is 3 months old. Then it begins to learn how to hunt. It takes 2 to 3 years for a cub to become adept at hunting. Hali Raghunath Baraf is a girl from Shahapur Taluka in Thane district. Hali rescued her older sister from a leopard. Sameep Anil Pandit rescued buffaloes tied in a cowshed from a fire. For this brave acts, the two were felicitated with the National Bravery Award by the Prime Minister of India in 2013. Baba Amte spent his entire life in social service. His lifelong goal was to serve people suffering from leprosy and also other handicapped people and to help them stand on their own feet. In this mission, he was helped immensely by his wife, Sadhana Tai. His work is being carried on by his sons and his daughters in law. Now, even the third generation of the Amte family is carrying on this mission. How do we learn things? We also learn many things by exposure and observation. Many of the things we pick up unconsciously and begin to behave like our friends. Influence of our neighbors. Besides our friends, we are also influenced by our neighbors. We get to know about the food and festivals, which may be different from us. This is how we become familiar with diversity. We learn good habits from our neighbors too. What we have learned. The many things we learn as we grow up together make our upbringing. Our parents and close relatives play an important part in our upbringing. We also learn many things from our friends and neighbors. We learn from the conscious efforts taken to make us good people. We also learn through observation and exposure. Thank you.